From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your Trinity County Neighborhood Forecast.
Well, definitely pretty active out there yesterday afternoon and evening. There you can see some of the lightning strikes we did see around the Weaverville area, and not to mention up north into northern Trinity County as well. Got much more active as we went into the evening hours, but then of course it quickly moved on out of here, and we're looking at dry conditions at this point. All right, so here is the deal. We've got slimmer chances for thunderstorms today. Still have a slight chance in there. You'll see there on Futurecast what it's looking like here, but triple digits, that's what we're going to be talking about here, is this warming trend. We've been talking about it even since last week, but now we're going to really start to see it materialize. Here you can see the peak will be over the weekend on Saturday, the high of 104 degrees, but then those temperatures start to slowly drop after that. So it's not going to last forever, but it's still going to be hot nonetheless. We'll call it not as hot as we go into next week. There's what it looks like here for today. You can see temperatures are starting to climb. We're in the upper 80s for many of us in Trinity County. Now, don't let this fool you. There's a very good chance many of us are going to be dry all day long, but we can't rule out a stray shower here and there, and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm. Look at the lake levels. Trinity, we're still seeing it climb a little bit. It's been less than 1/4 foot a day, but at least it's going up and not down. And that's all we really want to see at this point for Trinity Lake. There you can see your satellite and radar. That has all shifted off to the east. At least that little spin, that's one of the contributing factors to the thunderstorms we did see yesterday. But we still have a little bit of that instability in the forecast here. And take a look at that here for today. Let's take you into this afternoon, and this is about 5 o'clock. You can see maybe a little bit of activity, especially off to our east, maybe northern Trinity County. But overall, I would say that it's going to be a much drier day out there today than it was yesterday, especially for the people that did see the rain, right? But then as we go into Wednesday, I'm taking out any chances for rain or thunderstorms out of the forecast, and not to mention your Thursday. Let's take it all the way through Thursday afternoon. There may be some puffy cumulus clouds developing in some areas, but overall, it's going to be fairly dry even into Thursday. So again, just that slight chance for some showers here. Otherwise, it's going to be mainly in the mid to upper 80s. Of course, the typical warmer spot will be in Big Flat with a high of about 97. 81 degrees out in Forest Glen, 73 for Ruth, 78 degrees in Wildwood, and 77 degrees for Mad River. Looking at your 7-day forecast for Weaverville, it's warming up. We're back up to 100 degrees or higher by Friday. We'll keep it that way through the weekend and even quite possibly into Monday of next week.